Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, and this is my son, Ruben. And we're gonna open up some rag bags for you guys. We have 2 of them today on this Mystery Bag Monday. Let's just dig right into it. Mystery bags is one of our favorite.
Pizza. What does that say?
It's Pizza Genius. I think it's like Little Caesars or something.
Oh.
Rag bags are one of our favorite.
Freddy's Hipster Child.
Oh, what do we got here?
What?
We have a.
Oh, whoa, that's cool.
Well, that's kind of okay. Not what I thought it was, but oh, whoa! Big hit right here, everybody! Huge hit! Discover America Rugrats Nickelodeon on the Delta Pro Weight, big time tee in the XL. Woo-wee! Yes! Super big hit. Some of those Rugrat Nickelodeon, those 90s Nickelodeon tees go for a lot of money. If you know what that's valued, hit it up in the chat or in the comments below. Wow. Oh man, that was crazy. What's that? Mint? This looks, what is this? Gildan. Oh, no, that's nothing. Wow, that's a big shirt right there, everybody. Whether it's like a big value shirt or not, it's still a super dope t-shirt to find. Vintage Nickelodeon. Wow, I'm glad I went there today, huh?
Ripped up.
That's
shredded.
It's
Spider-Man.
But I think it's a new, yeah, see it's new.
Oh, it looks old, but it's new.
Yeah. Wow, that's a big t-shirt. I'm excited. What's this? What's this? Whoa.
What is that?
Delta. Look, it's all over print. Delta. Garfield tee, size large. Well, this might be size kids large. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Wow. Okay. So there is some. Look at. There could be somebody with like some really cool like 90s tees donated their.
What?
It's not vintage, but
that's cool.
got a Mickey Mouse. What is it?
It's something on the inside.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is okay. This is a 3X. So it's yeah, Poetic Justice, like Tupac, right? I think. But it's a new school tag. It's a new school tee. It's one of those reprints. All right, let's see. Man, oh, I cannot wait to see. Come on.
Wait. Oh, Long Island Sound.
That is a big t-shirt. Man.
Whoa. This is big.
What else could there be in here?
Hugs for Frank.
Hugs for Frank.
Cow.
I mean, there's not a whole lot left in this one t-shirt, but we do have another one.
Uh-oh.
Right after this. Could be just as big. A lot of times.
Oh.
If someone donates.
It says.
They can't see you, bud.
Oh.
Who's coming in? 2008 Sturgis Bike Week. Oh, that's super cool. Not vintage, but it's cool. Hey! Come on in if you want to. We got another guest who's visiting. Want to pop up here and show your face? It's Malachi. Trying to fit everybody in here. We found some really cool t-shirts, Malachi. You gonna help us? Alright, what's this? No, this is
That's nothing.
Try hurting this one. I don't know, that's kind of interesting. We'll keep that one.
Wait.
Alright, last t-shirt in this first bag.
Nothing in there.
That's Nautica, yeah. My kids recognize their 90s brand labels. Alright, one more bag. Let's see if it can go as hard as that first one. Woo! Alright, let's. Oh, hey, what's that? Let's see this.
Oh. You always pull out the good stuff. We
got a Jesus tee here. I cannot tell how old it is, so we're gonna.
Whoa.
What is that?
Oh.
Beware. Let's see.
This is for winter.
Let's see. Beware of loose beaver. The hunt is on. I don't think this is vintage. At least not very old. It's kind of funny. Alright, let's see. Can we get another vintage Nickelodeon tee. Buckethead Bash. Nope. Tie-dye shirt. Yes, they can see it, bud.
Yeah, they can't see all the wounds. It goes all the way down to here.
Well, I mean, all right. Let's see. Oh no.
Why did it show this?
Come on.
Missouri State Highway
Malachi.
I didn't show it for a few seconds.
Okay, we're focusing on the bag.
Towel.
Towel.
Let me see.
What do we got here? I have an old. Oh, we have an Air Force tee. Looks like an older Air Force tee. Nope, don't put it on there, bud. A lot of towels in this one. I don't know, guys. It might just be this one or two T-shirts that are big. We have a Clear 94, the best country. This is probably a little bit older.
But don't put your
But it's just a local radio station.
Towel.
Towels, lots of towels.
Pink shirt.
What do we got here? Oh, look at this.
Whoa. Look at what? Oh.
It's a
Narnia.
Narnia promo tee
From Disney.
From Prince Caspian.
It's from Disney.
Some more of those movie promos coming out here. That's cool.
Whoa, Daddy, look. 2014.
Let's see what this is. I see it.
This says.
It's a tie-dye tee. Gulf Shores is what it says.
It says it's big.
It says big.
It says it's big.
Alright, last t-shirt here, and it's nothing. What do you got there? Anything?
I can't tell.
Inside out. No, that's not anything. Alright, so let's go over real quick what we got. We have this vintage Narnia promo tee, movie promo tee from Prince Caspian.
got a lot of good ones.
We have this maybe vintage, maybe somewhat older Jesus tee. We got this t-shirt. I don't really know much about it, but just has an interesting graphic. We have a 2008 Sturgis Bike Week with a pretty cool graphic on the back here. We have this all over print Garfield tee. It says large. It's a little boxy. Then we have the best tee of the whole lot, and it's this Rugrats tee. Discover America Rugrats. This tee probably is fairly a big deal. I'm not sure how big it is. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you know the value of this t-shirt, and leave it in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.